Hey guys, Bismol here. Okay, time to start earning on Algorand again. As you noticed, the community has voted in governance. It happened last October. We're in April, we're in the fourth period. It's in period 3, it's going to start 4. You can sign up till the 14th of April. It's a 90-day span. There's 4 quarters in the year, so you'll claim 4 times a year, every 3 months. And this is my first shot. This video is gonna suck, all right? Because you're gonna do it with me, so we're gonna do it unedited. So there's a couple of things. I've got my ledger in front of me. I have Ledger Live pulled up. This is my Algorand. In fact, I'm going to go ahead right now, receive, continue. You need to locate your address. Don't have device. That's your Algorand address. Copy it. Okay. From algorand.foundation, click governance. This is the screen. Pop up. Here we go. Sign up as a governor. So we're going to participate. Get started. We have to connect wallet. Other wallets, I'm going to connect my ledger. Connect wallet. So your wallet is connected. You're very close. Commit algos. All right. This is my Algorand. How many am I commit? Max. I want to earn as much as I can. Commit. All right. Prepare transact. Oh no, we have to send a ghost transaction. Ugh. Okay, if you have a ledger, you cannot do this in Ledger Live because there's no way to send a note. You can't send 0 coin transactions yet. Okay, so if you don't know, you can restore any wallet with any other wallet. So you don't just necessarily need Ledger. So, all right, I'm going to keep this open now. Close this. All right. We're not going to keep it open. Okay. Disconnect. It's funny. This is normally the stuff I'm going to edit out. Connect wallet. So here's the thing. If you're using a ledger, here you go. You've got to use a different wallet. My Algo. Okay. So I've connected the wallet through my Algo wallet. Commit algos. Max. All right, the ledger's unlocked. Algorand app is open. Click next. Review transaction. Type payment. Sender. Fee. Note. Receiver. Amount 0. Finish. I committed. Close. Back at this screen, a couple of closing thoughts because I just watched the video. It's horrible. It doesn't have to be a ledger. It can be any wallet that you have your Algorand in. You can connect it here. If you connect your wallet and that wallet is not able to send the 0-sum transaction that it showed on that initial alert screen where it said to send 0 algos, connect using the My Algo wallet, and it does the 0-sum transaction automatically. So, other than that, I got nothing else to say. I think we're going to have to come back here every quarter and do this. I don't believe it renews. So, we will find out.